we're going to be making my turmeric fried rice recipe. So in this recipe, we're going to be using baby bok choy, carrots. I have both bell pepper and serrano pepper. Serrano is a bit spicier, so if you like that, go for that one. Otherwise, you can omit it and just do the bell pepper. Then we have eggs, garlic, sesame seeds, scallions, and of course, turmeric spice. So turmeric spice is a spice that has been used for a very long time. It's a root vegetable that they turn into a dried spice, and the active ingredient in it is curcumin. And curcumin is an antioxidant that helps to reduce the free radicals that cause damage to your healthy cells in your body. So there's been more and more research on the benefits of curcumin and how it can help to reduce inflammation. And in reducing inflammation, it can help with the reduction of cancerous cells. It can help with lowering joint pain related to arthritis. It can help improve your endothelial function so that your heart pumps better. So it's great for heart health. And so there's so many wonderful benefits of consuming turmeric, and especially in a way where we can include it in our meals, because we know that food just doesn't work by itself. There's a lot of synergy with foods. That's why we like to pair things, like pairing healthy fats and protein and carbohydrate makes for a better response for your blood sugar. In the same way, when you have turmeric and you pair it with black pepper, it can help to increase the absorption. And also when you have it with a fat, it can help to increase that absorption as well. My focus when creating recipes is always to think about how I can make this most nutrient dense while also making it really delicious. So I encourage you to modify this dish to your liking, to your taste preferences. If you like it a bit more savory or salty, or maybe a little bit sweeter and not as spicy, whatever it is for you, make it your own. And swap out ingredients that you like, because you want to be eating foods that you enjoy, because that's the most important thing. When we're talking about eating healthier, you want to be able to eat healthy foods more consistently. And one of the ways that you can do that is by using foods and using ingredients that you actually enjoy the taste of. Okay, so let me start prepping some of these ingredients so that I could just add them to the pan. It's going to be a one-pot meal. So this is something that I sometimes use multiple pots, because I like to cook the eggs separately, just because I find that they sometimes cook better that way. I don't have a wok, so that's part of the reason. So I'm going to put my Le Creuset to the test and see if it works as good as I'm hoping it will. So let's get started. Have everything ready and chopped and prepped. This way, when you're ready to start cooking the rice in the pan and get it hot, it's there when you need it. Okay, I'm gonna start to heat the oil in the pan, and we're just gonna cook the vegetables. You start with the onion and you saute that. You also have to know your burner. This is my most powerful burner, so I just have to be careful not to put it up too high. But it's the best burner for me to film on, so that's what we're using. Next, we're gonna add the garlic. I use my garlic press. It's just so much easier to use this versus having to mince it by hand, but not necessary. If you can mince it by hand, just do that, use a knife. I'm gonna add the serrano peppers, grated carrot, and I have a baby bok choy that I'm using. They didn't have bok choy at the store, so this is what we're going with. Next, I just add half of the bag of frozen rice to the pan. You can use whatever rice you want. I'm using a white jasmine rice. And what I'm gonna do is just put a little bit of water in here so it doesn't stick. You can give it just a little bit of help with the pot lid. Okay, so once the rice is soft, I'm going to combine it with the veggies, and then we're gonna cook the egg in the middle. So make a little hole for the egg. I'm gonna put a little bit of butter in the middle, wait for that to melt, and then I'll add the eggs. Okay, so now I'm gonna add the eggs to the middle. Then you're just gonna scramble and combine the eggs with the rice. Next, I'm gonna add some rice wine, toasted sesame oil, and then I'm gonna add the turmeric and some black pepper. I'm gonna add the scallions and then sesame seeds. Then you're just going to plate it and enjoy. So pretty. This is really good. Delicious. If you make this recipe, let me know in the comments below. Be sure to like this video and subscribe. I'll see you next time.